Hi friends, this is Silva. Day by day IT related videos we are uploading my channels. Go and subscribe and like channels. Okay. Now we are see automatic repairing. Preparing automatic repair. This is a loop. When I try to log in when I try to power on my laptop, desktop or HP, Dell, Acer, Lenovo like computer's laptop, this is a error. Automatic repair is a continuously looping comes. Okay, how to resolve the issue? See this issue. This is I will lively we are doing how to repair this one. Okay. So many videos available in YouTube for the here advanced option troubleshoot in the command prompt repair restart reset so many restore so many options available but not working. This is a new model we are a given procedure. Okay, go to try. This also command prompt not working. Here check hard drive detected or not hit here. Go and check import this PC not detected. So this is concept. Just close and restart. I am given a description below for the link ISO file, that is a repair for Windows boot using the ISO file. Go and download. Just use Rufus create mutable media after boot this operating system, and go and check in this PC your hard drive detector or not. Here not detector, so this PC right click, go to manage. In this manage, go to device manager, disk drives. See this SSD is available in my local hard drive, and disk manager, select your hard drive and change drive path, just add. Okay, now go and check in this PC. Now it is showing the hard drive it here in for D is my C drive for the old Windows folder for the hard drive. In the users available my datas, and once go search command prompt cmd and right click administrator, select your C drive for the your now currently it is my side is a D drive, your side whatever drive just select it. Okay, my drive is C not D colon, just enter check disk chk dsk space or space /f, enter y, enter. It is 5-stage repairing. Wait several minutes. Its hard drives once repaired. And same procedure, go open run as administrator and command prompt. Just enter your hard drive for the now currently here created for added hard drive name, this is D, and enter sfc space / scan now. After completed, I am given the description for the one file for system32 file. Go and copy to go and download first. After copy for you required Windows 10 or Windows 11, just copy to paste your hard drive in C under Windows. Now download completed. I am Windows 11, so I am copy Windows 11. You need Windows 10, go and copy Windows 10. Okay, just copy and paste to in C drive under Windows inside under Windows here pasted. Copy once, replace your for the office system 32. Once restart your computer or laptop. Now go and check work or not. Any issues comes, just comment me. I will given the procedure after what happened. Okay, 20% working. In this, just click enter. You have Windows 11, go update, put live and current up to date. Windows 10 you have, don't update. Windows 11 just update. Windows 10 don't update, just put off for Windows update. If any issues comes, just comment me. We are given procedure, we are given for already in description for the download links.